It's finally happened. The Mighty Boy has a new timing belt in it after weeks and weeks of delays caused when a gasket wasn't sent with a water pump, and then the cam and crankshaft seals were not quite the right size. They were a bit too big, even though they were supposedly for the F8B that this one's got, but the ones that came out of it were a bit smaller. But thankfully, eBay came to the rescue there. And I noticed that the mechanic has, well, he's filled it up with Penrite as recommended by him, but also I noticed a couple of bits in here. That's obviously come out of when the engine was painted yellow. New radiator pipes, didn't need to use these two, so I might look at selling them, but let's give it a run, see how it goes. This was only started yesterday with the work being finished, not yesterday, the day before. I've got losing track of days. So let's see how it goes. Windows down. Give it a bit of choke, although it probably won't need it. Sounds very good. It's been a while since I've heard it running. Well, there it is, all back together with the new timing belt, new water pump. We have a new top radiator hose and a new bottom radiator hose. Also a new rear connector radiator hose, coolant hose. Only a short piece, but it was around the back. And the all-important sticker, there we go. Safely tucked away once again.